Hey guys, so today we're going to be talking about geometric and organic shapes. I've got my friend here, Mr. Buzzet, and he's going to help answer some questions, and I'm going to kind of see what he knows about geometric and organic shapes. Mr. Buzzet, how are you doing today?
I'm feeling pretty good today.
All right, great. Well, I'm so glad to hear that. So, we've got a poster that says geometric shapes with geometric shapes on it, and we've got a poster that says organic shapes with organic shapes on it. Mr. Buzzet, what are some of the differences you are noticing between organic and geometric shapes?
Well, I think the organic shapes are curvier.
Oh, you're correct. So you notice that the lines maybe aren't perfectly straight, that they've got some curve to them. Okay, good. What about the geometric shapes?
I think with those shapes, the lines are kind of straighter.
Yes, you were right about that, okay? When you look at the organic shapes, let's say, when you look at this one, what does it make you think about?
Oh my gosh, that makes me think of a cloud.
Oh, yes, I see that too.
Or maybe a puff of pollution.
Okay, yeah. What about this one?
Ooh, that looks like a yummy leaf.
Oh, do you like to eat leaves?
I do.
What about this one?
Oh, that makes me think, you know what that makes me think of? Huh? How about you guys? I think of Moana, but I know that's not what you meant. I think of a spiral, like maybe a shell from the ocean. Yeah.
Very good. Okay. So what I'm noticing, Mr. Buzzet, is that when you're looking at these organic shapes, that a lot of times you're seeing things maybe from nature. Is that correct?
Oh, that totally makes sense.
Yeah. So organic shapes are shapes that are generally things that we see in nature. Flowers, trees, rocks, snails, clouds, okay? And they usually have some curve to them. Usually these shapes, they don't have specific names. They just remind us of things, or they're things we actually see out in nature, okay? Geometric shapes, okay, generally they're gonna have a name, and a lot of times when we look at geometric shapes, we think of things that are man-made, okay? So if you even look around my room, the clock is a circle, okay? This poster board is a rectangle. What else do you see in this room, Mr. Buzzet?
All the tables. Those look like rectangles too.
Absolutely. What about this seat?
Oh, that's a circle. That's a circle.
Yes, good. Okay. So, geometric shapes usually have names like circle, triangle, trapezoid. This is actually, you can call it an oval, or you can call it an ellipse, square, diamond, hexagon. Do you know the name of this one, Mr. Buzzet?
That's a rectangle, right?
Yep, you got it.
Yay.
And then a star, and I don't know if I skipped this one, but that's called a trapezoid. Okay?
Ooh, fancy.
And trapezoids have two what we call parallel sides. These sides line up with each other, and then they have two other sides that connect the parallel sides. So parallel sides you can think of as like train tracks that run side by side, okay? They're always the same distance between those two parallel lines, okay? And you'll be learning more about this in math class too. Also, I need you all to watch the geometric shape video that I post, and you're gonna learn all about some geometric shapes that maybe you've never heard of before, like decagon or octagon, or nonagon. Okay, have you heard of any of those, Mr. Buzzet?
Oh my gosh, I have not. Those are
Okay.
weird words.
So you're gonna have a lot of fun watching this video too, Mr. Buzzet. All right, guys, so good to see you all. And if you have any questions, we can get them answered in Google Meet or in the Google Classroom comment board. All right, bye-bye.
He wants